Hey guys, just to give you a heads up, Nahoon Reef on a very not calm day. Howling winds, spring high tides, 80 to 100 km/h wind, and some galjoen looking turf. So let's go. Put on the small side, Oaks, but galjoen are here. Let's look at conditions. It is absolutely mull. 100 km/h wind, fish are on, dudes. Yeah, Oaks, that's what you call a blacktail. About 37, 38, 39. Get a measure. This one I might keep for the pan. Outfish a little tour circle. Outfish pro braid. Lekker. Alright guys, that's short session's over. About an hour odd. I got a nice galjoen, 30 to 35 centimeters, fit nicely, and I got a couple of rocks. I got a nice blacktail, 35 to 40 centimeters. I'll get a measurement later. I kept the cup in the pan. My kids dig eating blacktail. And just to prove that, yeah, in an hour session, find the right spot. Howling wind doesn't matter, no matter how rough the sea is. You can always find fish. In actual fact, your local, if you don't normally pull decent sized blacktail or galjoen or something like that, those are the conditions to try. The sea comes alive. It's challenging fishing. You can use a few sinkers and watch out for the surge and try to find some deeper holes in it where fish will hold in. But it's easily doable. Get the wind behind you, you go for your record casts, and yeah, enjoy it. So never complain it's not good fishing weather. Any weather is good fishing weather. Cheers guys.